Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set WhatsApp at log. So for you to do that, you have to tap your window button on the screen. Then you can go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Good, WhatsApp. Good. Then you open. Once you open it, then you scroll down, place your mouse at the gear button called settings. Good. Once you have it, then under general, there's another option under it which is set WhatsApp at log. Then you make sure you toggle on this particular option. Once you have it on your WhatsApp, it means whenever the WhatsApp starts, then it's going to start at auto log. So it's not, you don't have to start wondering on how to link again or link your device to your PC or link your phone to your WhatsApp. Once this is on, then you're good to go. Then you can see let this apps runs its WhatsApp task when you log in. Then you're going to tap enable. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.